Harnessing nature's healing power through 4 restorative oils is a journey that connects modern science with ancient wisdom, a bridge between what nature has always offered and what our eyes desperately need in today's demanding world. Every day, our eyes are exposed to harsh blue light from digital screens, environmental toxins, dry air, and fatigue from endless focus and strain. These factors weaken the delicate tissues surrounding the eyes, deplete natural moisture, and accelerate the breakdown of essential protective layers. Yet within the heart of nature lie potent botanical oils, rich in antioxidants, fatty acids, and healing compounds that can nourish, protect, and even rejuvenate these fragile structures. When applied before bed, these oils allow the body's own regenerative rhythms to take over, enhancing circulation, soothing inflammation, and restoring balance at the cellular level. One of the most remarkable of these natural elixirs is castor oil, long celebrated for its therapeutic properties. Derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, it contains resinolic acid, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. When gently applied around the eyes before bedtime, castor oil forms a natural barrier that locks in moisture, preventing dryness and irritation. It supports the function of the meibomian glands, which produce the oily layer of your tears, ensuring that your eyes remain hydrated throughout the night. Over time, this simple nightly ritual helps to reduce puffiness, diminish dark circles, and even promote thicker, healthier eyelashes. It's not a cosmetic trick. It's a way of aligning with the body's natural mechanisms for repair and defense. Castor oil's dense, nutrient-rich texture also allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin, delivering vitamins and essential fatty acids that strengthen the tissues that surround and protect the eyes. The second restorative oil is coconut oil, a substance that has nourished civilizations for centuries. It is more than just a cooking ingredient. It is a source of lauric acid, capric acid, and vitamin E, all of which play a vital role in combating oxidative stress and microbial invasion. Our eyes are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants, both of which can lead to premature aging of the skin and degradation of the protective barriers around the eyes. By applying a small amount of organic virgin coconut oil around the eye area, we provide a shield against these external aggressors. The oil's medium-chain fatty acids possess antimicrobial properties that help to prevent eye infections and irritation, while its emollient nature softens and smooths the delicate under-eye skin. Coconut oil also supports collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and resilient. As you rest, the oil works silently, infusing nourishment and moisture into every cell, restoring elasticity, and enhancing the overall vitality of the eye region. This natural oil harmonizes with the body's nocturnal repair cycle, helping the eyes awaken each morning refreshed, soothed, and ready to take in the world once again. Next, we turn to almond oil, often referred to as liquid gold for the skin. Almond oil is exceptionally rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a key role in neutralizing free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative damage. The skin around the eyes is among the thinnest and most sensitive on the entire body, which makes it particularly susceptible to damage from environmental exposure and fatigue. When almond oil is applied gently before bed, it acts as both a moisturizer and a rejuvenator. Its light texture allows it to absorb quickly without clogging pores, while its nutrient content helps to strengthen the capillaries beneath the skin, improving circulation and reducing the appearance of dark circles. The vitamin E in almond oil works synergistically with other compounds like retinol and niacin to encourage new cell growth and repair damaged tissue. Over time, this nightly nourishment supports a smoother, brighter, and more youthful eye contour. Beyond aesthetics, almond oil's anti-inflammatory nature helps to calm irritation and swelling, providing relief from the strain caused by long hours of screen time or lack of sleep. It's a small act of self-care that yields profound benefits for both vision and appearance. Finally, there is rosehip oil, a gift from the seeds of wild roses that grows in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Rosehip oil is a powerhouse of natural healing, loaded with vitamins A and C, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and a unique profile of antioxidants that help the skin regenerate. The presence of trans-retinoic acid, a natural derivative of vitamin A, stimulates the production of new skin cells and enhances collagen synthesis, making it particularly effective for repairing the delicate tissues surrounding the eyes. When used before bed, rosehip oil penetrates deep into the skin, where it can repair oxidative damage, fade dark spots, and improve tone and elasticity. Its light texture and rapid absorption mean that it delivers nutrients efficiently without leaving a greasy residue. More importantly, rosehip oil assists in restoring the lipid barrier of the skin, helping it retain moisture and resilience. For eyes that are tired, dry, or dull, rosehip oil acts as both a healer and a protector, allowing the natural overnight regeneration process to unfold more effectively. The beauty of these four oils lies not just in their individual potency, but in how they complement each other to create a holistic approach to eye health. Castor oil strengthens and lubricates, coconut oil soothes and shields, almond oil nourishes and brightens, and rosehip oil repairs and renews. Together, they form a symphony of natural healing that supports the body's innate intelligence. Applying these oils before sleep is not merely a beauty ritual. It is an act of restoration, a way of communicating to your body that it is safe to heal. During sleep, when the parasympathetic nervous system is active, blood flow increases, cell repair accelerates, and inflammation subsides. By introducing these oils into that natural process, we amplify the body's ability to protect and restore itself. This nightly practice also engages the senses, creating a calming ritual that signals to the body that it is time to rest and recover. The soft scent of coconut, the gentle warmth of almond, the earthy depth of castor, and the floral whisper of rosehip work together to relax both the mind and the eyes. In this way, the application of natural oils becomes more than a physical treatment. It becomes a form of meditation, a moment of stillness that nurtures the whole being. Modern science continues to validate what traditional healing systems have known for centuries: that plant oils carry bioactive compounds capable of modulating inflammation, improving circulation, and supporting cellular repair. Studies have shown that antioxidants found in these oils can protect the retina and cornea from oxidative damage, while essential fatty acids help maintain the integrity of the tear film and skin barrier. These discoveries affirm that the simplest ingredients, when used consistently and respectfully, can have profound effects on the health and longevity of our eyes. In embracing the power of these four restorative oils, we are not only caring for the eyes themselves, but also honoring a deeper connection with nature and our own biology. Each drop represents the intelligence of plants, their ability to capture sunlight, store energy, and translate it into nourishment. When we apply these oils before bed, we are, in essence, borrowing that same intelligence, allowing it to work in harmony with our body's natural cycles of renewal. It is a partnership between human and nature, ancient and modern, that restores balance, clarity, and vitality from within. Supporting your eye's natural repair process while you sleep is one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked ways to preserve and enhance vision health. The body operates on a deeply intelligent rhythm, guided by the circadian clock that dictates cycles of activity, rest, and restoration. During the day, your eyes are in constant motion, focusing, adjusting, and processing enormous amounts of visual information. But at night, as the body transitions into rest, a profound transformation takes place. Blood circulation redistributes, cells repair damaged tissue, oxidative stress is reduced, and the delicate structures of the eyes, especially the cornea, retina, and surrounding skin, enter a natural healing phase. This nightly repair process is essential to maintaining clear vision, eye comfort, and overall ocular resilience. Yet, in the modern world, we often interrupt or weaken these natural rhythms with stress, poor sleep, excessive screen exposure, and lack of nourishment. To support the eye's regeneration while you sleep is to align yourself with nature's restorative power, helping the body to do what it is already designed to do. The eyes are unique organs in that they rely heavily on consistent oxygen supply, hydration, and nutrient delivery. When you sleep, your eyelids close, reducing oxygen intake slightly, but this is compensated by an increase in the production of tear film components and the activity of repair enzymes. However, if your body is dehydrated, inflamed, or lacking key nutrients, this natural restoration process can falter. The thin skin around the eyes can become dry, the tear film unstable, and the microscopic structures that support the cornea and retina can experience oxidative damage. By supporting these natural systems, through hydration, proper nutrition, and external nourishment with natural oils, you help ensure that your eyes remain balanced and strong even during rest. The oils you apply before bed act as protectants, sealing in moisture and reducing evaporation from the ocular surface, while also providing a steady stream of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals accumulated throughout the day. Sleep itself plays an indispensable role in eye repair. During deep sleep stages, the body releases growth hormones that promote tissue regeneration and stimulate collagen synthesis. These processes are vital for maintaining the elasticity and integrity of the eyelid's skin and the connective tissues that hold the eyes in proper alignment. When you deprive yourself of adequate rest, blood vessels in the eyes can dilate, causing redness, and the meibomian glands may not function optimally, leading to dryness or irritation. Chronic sleep deprivation is also linked to slower healing of the corneal surface, making the eyes more vulnerable to fatigue and infection. By ensuring that your sleep environment supports deep, uninterrupted rest, you allow your body's built-in repair systems to function at their peak. Simple actions like reducing blue light exposure an hour before bed, maintaining a cool room temperature, and using nourishing eye oils all contribute to optimizing this nighttime restoration. Natural oils work in synergy with the body's sleep cycle to enhance the eye's ability to recover. For example, castor oil supports tear film stability and reduces inflammation in the meibomian glands, ensuring that the eyes remain lubricated throughout the night. When applied before bed, it forms a gentle barrier that prevents moisture loss and allows the tissues around the eyes to remain supple and hydrated. Coconut oil, rich in medium-chain fatty acids, reinforces this process by soothing irritation and strengthening the skin barrier. The combination of these effects ensures that the eyes are not only protected from external dryness, but also able to carry out internal cellular repair more effectively. As you rest, the oils penetrate gradually, delivering nourishment at a time when blood circulation to the skin and surrounding tissues is naturally enhanced, making nutrient delivery more efficient. The regenerative potential of sleep extends to the retina, the light, sensitive layer at the back of the eye responsible for capturing images. The retina is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress caused by constant exposure to light and digital screens. At night, when the eyes are closed and the visual system is at rest, the retina undergoes active detoxification and repair. Enzymes such as superoxide dismutase and catalase work to neutralize free radicals, while photoreceptor cells replenish their outer segments that were damaged or shed during the day. By consuming antioxidants from natural oils, such as vitamin E in almond oil or vitamin A and C in rosehip oil, you support this retinal healing process from both inside and outside. The nutrients absorbed through the skin and delivered via microcirculation enhance the eye's antioxidant defense system, protecting them from long-term degeneration and fatigue. The body's parasympathetic nervous system, which dominates during sleep, also plays a crucial role in the eye's restoration. This system slows the heart rate, promotes digestion, and increases blood flow to the organs responsible for growth and repair. When activated, it helps reduce inflammation, improve circulation to the eyes, and support the renewal of tissues. Practices such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle eye massage before bed can help activate this state, allowing the body to shift fully into healing mode. Pairing these relaxation techniques with the application of natural oils creates an ideal environment for ocular repair. The act itself becomes more than a physical routine. It becomes a signal to the nervous system that it is time to rest, recover, and restore balance. Another key aspect of supporting your eye's repair while you sleep involves reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the main culprits behind common eye problems such as dryness, puffiness, dark circles, and even more serious conditions like macular degeneration. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in natural oils, resinolic acid in castor oil, lauric acid in coconut oil, and linoleic acid in rosehip oil, work to calm inflammation and support cellular communication. These molecules penetrate the skin barrier and modulate inflammatory pathways, allowing the tissues to heal more efficiently. When applied consistently before bed, they create an environment where inflammation is reduced not only on the surface, but within the deeper layers of tissue. This soothing effect allows for optimal repair of capillaries and connective tissues that are essential for maintaining healthy vision and youthful skin around the eyes. Hydration also plays a fundamental role in the nighttime healing process. The eyes are composed of delicate structures that rely on fluid balance to function properly. Dehydration, whether due to excessive caffeine intake, lack of sleep, or environmental factors, can lead to dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. Applying natural oils before bed helps counteract this by sealing in moisture and reinforcing the lipid layer of the tear film. This prevents the evaporation of natural tears during the night and keeps the surface of the eyes smooth and lubricated. As you sleep, this stable environment allows the epithelial cells of the cornea to regenerate efficiently, restoring clarity and comfort by morning. The skin surrounding the eyes also benefits from this process of overnight renewal. This area is thinner and more fragile than most other parts of the body, making it one of the first to show signs of stress, fatigue, and aging. Supporting its repair through sleep and natural oils helps maintain its elasticity and tone. Vitamin-rich oils like almond and rosehip penetrate deeply into the dermis, where they stimulate collagen production and neutralize oxidative stress. Over time, this strengthens the skin, reducing fine lines and maintaining a smooth, radiant appearance that reflects inner vitality. Beyond the biological effects, there is also a psychological and emotional dimension to this nightly practice. Sleep is not merely a period of physical rest. It is a state in which the mind and body reconnect, reorganize, and rejuvenate. By consciously supporting your eyes' natural repair process before bed, you cultivate mindfulness and self-care. The act of gently massaging the oils around your eyes becomes a meditative ritual, one that calms the nervous system, slows your breathing, and allows the stresses of the day to dissolve. In doing so, you set the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep, which in turn amplifies the healing potential of your entire body. In essence, supporting your eyes' natural repair process while you sleep is about creating harmony between the body's biology and your nightly habits. Every choice you make before bed, how you wind down, what you eat, how you treat your eyes, either enhances or hinders this delicate equilibrium. By aligning your routine with nature's rhythm, you allow your body's inherent wisdom to flourish, and your eyes, those remarkable instruments of perception, are given the chance to heal, replenish, and awaken each morning renewed and ready to see the world with clarity and grace. Protecting and preserving your vision for lasting clarity and vitality is not simply about avoiding eye strain or wearing glasses when needed. It is a lifelong commitment to nurturing one of your most valuable senses. Vision connects you to the world. It allows you to read expressions, experience beauty, and move through life with confidence and awareness. Yet in today's fast-paced, screen-dominated world, our eyes face more challenges than ever before. The combination of digital exposure, pollution, artificial lighting, stress, and poor nutrition places tremendous strain on the visual system. To protect your vision is to understand that your eyes are living, breathing extensions of your body's inner health. They rely on balanced nutrition, proper circulation, hydration, and rest to function optimally. When you preserve that balance, you ensure not only clear sight but also the overall vitality that comes from harmony between your mind, body, and environment. The eyes are complex organs composed of millions of light-sensitive cells, intricate muscles, and delicate connective tissues that work in perfect coordination. Each blink lubricates the surface, each tear delivers essential nutrients, and every movement depends on precise communication between the eyes and the brain. Over time, however, oxidative stress, inflammation, and poor lifestyle choices can disrupt this harmony. Ultraviolet light from the sun, blue light from digital screens, and toxins from air pollution all produce free radicals that damage cells and accelerate aging of ocular tissues. Protecting your vision requires consistent defense against these daily stressors, and nature provides exactly what the body needs for that defense. Antioxidant-rich natural oils, plant compounds, and nutrient-dense foods form the foundation of long-term eye health. When used regularly, they fortify the eye's natural protective barriers, improve microcirculation, and neutralize oxidative damage before it can lead to deterioration. Castor oil, for instance, plays an important role in protecting the surface of the eyes by supporting the lipid layer of the tear film. This thin layer prevents tears from evaporating and shields the cornea from irritants and dryness. When applied gently around the eyes before bed, castor oil strengthens this natural barrier, ensuring that moisture remains locked in throughout the night. Over time, this simple habit helps maintain the smoothness and integrity of the corneal surface, which is essential for sharp, clear vision. Coconut oil adds another dimension of protection through its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The fatty acids in coconut oil reduce irritation caused by environmental pollutants or minor infections, creating a soothing shield that allows the eyes to recover naturally. Almond and rosehip oils, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, further enhance this protection by nourishing the skin and underlying capillaries, ensuring that blood flow remains steady and efficient. Together, these natural elements not only guard against external threats, but also empower the eye's own biological systems to remain resilient and strong. Long-term vision protection also depends on internal nourishment. The eyes require a continuous supply of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc, lutein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which help neutralize oxidative stress and maintain the health of retinal cells. Vitamin A supports the production of rhodopsin, a pigment critical for night vision, while vitamin C strengthens the capillaries in the retina and prevents oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found abundantly in leafy greens and certain oils, act as natural filters against harmful blue light, reducing strain and preventing macular degeneration. Omega-3 fatty acids maintain the fluidity of cell membranes and support the tear film, preventing dryness and irritation. By combining these nutrients with the topical benefits of natural oils, you create a comprehensive system of protection that operates both inside and out, ensuring that your vision remains clear and vibrant through the years. Another essential aspect of preserving vision is maintaining proper circulation to the eyes. The retina and optic nerve depend on a constant flow of oxygen-rich blood to function effectively. However, poor circulation caused by sedentary habits, high stress, or inadequate hydration can compromise this vital supply, leading to fatigue and diminished clarity. Gentle eye massages before bed, combined with the use of restorative oils, can help stimulate microcirculation, bringing fresh nutrients and oxygen to the tissues. This simple practice not only enhances the health of the eyes, but also relieves tension from the surrounding muscles, which often accumulate strain from prolonged screen use or stress. When the tiny capillaries around the eyes receive proper nourishment, the result is greater visual endurance, sharper focus, and an overall sense of lightness and clarity. Vision preservation also depends heavily on lifestyle habits that align with the body's natural rhythms. Exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate circadian cycles, which in turn influence eye health. The hormone melatonin, which governs sleep and cellular repair, is also involved in protecting retinal cells from damage. When you expose your eyes to morning sunlight and limit artificial light in the evening, you synchronize your body's biological clock, ensuring that repair and protection processes occur efficiently. Equally important is minimizing prolonged screen exposure. The blue light emitted from phones, computers, and televisions penetrates deep into the retina, contributing to oxidative stress and digital eye strain. Taking regular breaks, practicing the 20-20-20 rule, looking at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes, and using natural oils before bed to soothe and restore moisture all contribute to keeping your eyes strong in the digital era. Hydration remains another cornerstone of eye protection. The tear film that coats your eyes is composed primarily of water, and even mild dehydration can cause dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. Drinking adequate water throughout the day supports the production of tears and maintains the balance of electrolytes necessary for proper nerve function. When you complement this internal hydration with the external moisture, retaining power of natural oils, you create a double layer of defense that keeps your eyes refreshed and resilient. The oils seal in hydration overnight, while your body's internal systems replenish and rebalance fluid levels during rest, ensuring that you wake with eyes that feel clear, comfortable, and renewed. Protecting vision also involves managing oxidative stress at the cellular level. Every second, your eyes are exposed to light, and light naturally generates reactive oxygen species, unstable molecules that can damage proteins, lipids, and DNA. The body's defense against this process lies in antioxidants, both those produced internally and those obtained from food and natural compounds. The antioxidants in rosehip and almond oil, for instance, provide an extra layer of protection by neutralizing free radicals and supporting mitochondrial function in eye cells. This cellular defense is crucial because once retinal cells are damaged, they cannot regenerate. Therefore, consistent nourishment through antioxidant-rich oils and foods acts as an ongoing investment in the longevity of your sight. The skin around the eyes also plays a crucial role in protecting vision. It acts as a buffer zone that shields the sensitive underlying tissues from external stressors. When this skin becomes thin, dry, or damaged, it can no longer perform its protective function effectively. Regular use of natural oils restores elasticity, promotes collagen production, and strengthens the skin's barrier function. This not only improves appearance, but also reinforces the eye's overall resilience to environmental damage. In this sense, caring for the skin and caring for the eyes are part of the same continuum of protection and preservation. Emotional and mental well-being also contribute profoundly to visual vitality. Chronic stress constricts blood vessels, increases inflammation, and leads to muscle tension that directly affects the eyes. The modern lifestyle keeps most people in a constant state of alertness, which drains the energy needed for proper healing and restoration. Creating a nighttime ritual centered on eye care helps counter this pattern. The gentle act of applying natural oils before sleep is a reminder to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your body. This moment of mindfulness reduces cortisol levels, lowers blood pressure, and calms the nervous system, all of which improve circulation and promote healing in the eyes. Over time, this balance between emotional calm and physical nourishment manifests as greater clarity not only in vision, but in the way you perceive and experience the world. Protecting and preserving your vision for lasting clarity and vitality is, at its essence, about respect. Respect for your body's intelligence, for the delicate structures that give you sight, and for the natural systems that sustain you. Every drop of oil, every mindful breath before bed, every choice to nourish rather than neglect your eyes contributes to a cumulative protection that endures. When you honor that connection between care, consistency, and nature's wisdom, you create the conditions for your vision to remain strong, clear, and full of life.